Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Similarweb. So let me take you to their website, which is similarweb.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Similarweb is a digital intelligence platform that provides insights into website and app performance, including traffic, user behavior, and marketing channels. It's widely used for competitor research, SEO analysis, and understanding industry trends. The platform offers both free and paid tiers with advanced analytics available through premium plans. So what you're waiting for, if you wanted to have a tool like SimilarWeb, you can come to the website, go to pricing, see which of their subscription is best suited for you, and get yourself a SimilarWeb account. But what if I tell you you can earn money from them as well? And you heard it right. You simply have to join the affiliate program of SimilarWeb and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, SimilarWeb, you will end up getting commission. And not just any commission, it will be recurring commission. So who can join the affiliate program of SimilarWeb? Affiliates from which country? As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you would be able to apply to be part of SimilarWeb affiliate program. And to the consumers of which country can you promote SimilarWeb? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of the consumer's country, so long as SimilarWeb is available to the consumer of that country, you can promote SimilarWeb there and end up getting commissions if someone buy the subscriptions. So how do you join the affiliate program of SimilarWeb? For that, let me take you to the website called Partner Stack. Now, what is Partner Stack and what does Partner Stack have to do with SimilarWeb? So Partner Stack is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. So that means if you want to join the affiliate program of any brand out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, we have to join Partner Stack as an affiliate in order to apply for the SimilarWeb affiliate program. A Partner Stack call their brands as vendors and affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. Now, how do you get an affiliate account or rather a publisher account with Partner Stack? For that, look at the top right hand side and click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down and look at Partners and Publisher section. Click on Join the Network and it will take you through the sign up process. Now, I understand there are a lot of nuances involved when creating an account with any of the affiliate marketing network. Don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Partner Stack affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from the video, and get yourself a free affiliate account with Partner Stack. Once you have an account with them, you can come to their website once again and click on login from the top right hand side. It will take you to the authentication and then will lend you to something called dashboard. Now, this is the partner dashboard or rather publisher or affiliate dashboard. Now, once you're here, you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just SimilarWeb, but we will keep the focus of the video as SimilarWeb. So how do you find their affiliate program? For that, you can click on Discover Partnership, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can search for SimilarWeb. And from the drop down, you can click on their name. It will then take you to their affiliate program page on Partner Stack. Over here, you can read about them for better understanding. And as you can see here, offers and commission structures. So get 50% of all payments for 12 months up to $2,400. Now, that's some generous amount, isn't it? That means, let's say if you bring in a customer who is keep on buying subscriptions from SimilarWeb for next 12 months or even more, you will be able to get commissions for next 12 months up to 2,400 just from that customer. So long as the customer is buying on SimilarWeb subscriptions, you will continue getting the commission for recurring 12 months. Then if you scroll down, you can have other details as well. Application review time, less than 2 days. Free trial for customer, not available. Discounts available, no. Assets available, yes. And then there is term of service as well. You can click and you can read. And after reading it, you can fill up this form. So I'm going to mention all the details for myself. You can also add your details company name, I'm just going to mention the name of my YouTube channel. Let's say if you are representing a company, you can mention your company name here. But what if you do not own a company, but maybe you have a website, a blog, a social media page? Mention the name of that website, blog, or social media page in here. Then the website again. What if you do not have a website, but maybe a social media page? Mention the URL in here instead of website. Then comes the country. So I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna go with United States. Well, it's depending on you. You can either select the country of your residence or let's say the country of your traffic. I'm gonna go with the country of traffic, that is United States. Then industry. So you can click here and you can select from one of the listed industry. And then comes the job title. So I'm gonna give the job title as YouTuber. You can mention your job title as well. Now, why do you believe you would be a good fit as a partner for SimilarWeb? Now, this is very important because all the things that you're going to mention here in all these four columns would be able to help you in getting approval from SimilarWeb. So I have written something for myself. I'm just going to copy and paste in here. So what is your target audience that you would be interested in SimilarWeb? Well, I'm going to write about my traffic here. Basically, you can write more about your traffic, from where exactly you're getting traffic and this and that. Then what is your target audience region? So I'm gonna go with the one that I feel like I'm getting most of the traffic from. Let's see, so you can find from the list about your region as well, the traffic region, and select it. So I'm gonna go with New York here. In your case, you can select it accordingly. Then anything else you want to share, again, write as much as you can so that it basically convinces SimilarWeb that you're a good affiliate for them and you could be an asset to them. So I'm gonna pay something about myself. And once you have written everything in here, simply click on submit application. What this will do, it will process the application and the SimilarWeb affiliate program team will receive the application and you will receive this message: application submitted. Will notify you when SimilarWeb has an update on your application. And as they have mentioned here, to take less than 2 days. So how would you know that you have been approved by SimilarWeb? You will be notified via an email. Once you have received the email as a confirmation, you can come to the Partner Stack dashboard once again. And when you have gotten the approval, you would be able to see them within your program section. So you can click on your program, and from here you can select SimilarWeb. Now, since we have not been approved by SimilarWeb yet, we won't be able to see all the options available. And just to give you a demo how exactly it looks like, I'm going to use this program Learn World. If I click here, it will take me to the affiliate program page. Over here, I should be able to see the summary of SimilarWeb, assuming I will be on their affiliate program page. I will also be able to see the performance. It will be a quick performance view. Then in offers, I would be able to see the commission details and there will be a referral link. Now, to promote SimilarWeb, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. And how do you get your tracking link? This is the place from where you can get your referral link, or rather the tracking link. You can copy and share it with your audience. And if you want to get even more links, you can click on this link section. And over here, you would be able to see the available links. So this is the default one. You can use this one. If you want to create your own custom link, you can click on create a custom link, mention the link title, link description, and then the destination URL. You can select from any of these. Let's assume we're looking at SimilarWeb. So you can select it for SimilarWeb accordingly. You can also customize your link by mentioning something here. Let's say that I ended up mentioning SimilarWeb 101. So this way you can give a title to your link as well and click on create link. So this is how you can create tracking link for any of the link from SimilarWeb website. Now let's say if you want to reach out to the affiliate program team of SimilarWeb, in that case, you can click on messages and you can initiate conversation with the affiliate program team. Now you have learned how to get the tracking link or how to generate your own tracking link. What about the images? What if you want to integrate image links and all different kind of links? For that, you can click on resources. Once you're on the SimilarWeb affiliate program page, over here you can see if there are any resources available. For example, for Learn Worlds, We have this B2B course selling. If I click here, I can see different assets available. Same way, if SimilarWeb is providing any assets, you would be able to see them in resources, and you can leverage those to integrate your tracking links on your online presence accordingly. Once you have learned how to get your tracking links and you have acquired it, the question arises, where can you promote them? SimilarWeb, of course. Well, there are many ways. I'm still going to cover a few. One of the way is website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you've got, so long as you get approval from SimilarWeb, you can decide a place on your website, maybe homepage, category page, a page or a place where you feel like your users are more suited to click on the links and buy the subscription on similar websites. So you can put the advertisement of SimilarWeb accordingly on your website. Then comes blog. Now, blog could be amazing because you could write great blog post about SimilarWeb and mention your tracking links within blog posts. So this way, when people would read your blog post, if they like it, they'll click on the link, they will buy the subscription, you'll continue getting commission. Third way is social media. And I feel like social media can be great here because you could create contents like video, reels, posts, and put your tracking links of SimilarWeb in comment or the description. This way, people would watch your content, they'll click on the link, they will buy the subscription, and you'll get the commission. Fourth way is even better. It's a SaaS website. A SaaS website is a software as a service website. Let's say if you're an affiliate having a SaaS website and people come to these kind of websites to find softwares, isn't it? Maybe you list SimilarWeb somewhere on your SaaS website. This way, when people come to your website, they explore different amazing tools and they find SimilarWeb listed over there. And if they like it, they'll click on it. And assuming you have integrated the tracking link of SimilarWeb with that tile of SimilarWeb on your SaaS website, people will buy the subscription. It will result into you getting commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote SimilarWeb, assuming you have been approved by SimilarWeb for that online presence, and you would have given that online presence while creating Partner Stack affiliate account. So let's say you started bringing sales to SimilarWeb by bringing more customers to them and they are buying more subscriptions. Where would you see your performance? For that, you have to come to the Partner Stack dashboard once again. Over here, assuming you are on the affiliate program page of SimilarWeb, how do you get to the affiliate program page? Simply click on Switch Program or My Program and select SimilarWeb from the list down here. And once you're here on the affiliate program page of SimilarWeb, and since we're using Learn World's affiliate program page for demo, you can click on performance, and over here you would be able to see quick performance of how you're performing. You can update the date range to see it accordingly. You can also click on conversion to see the conversions. Now, if you want to have even more detailed reports, you can click on reporting from here. It will take you to the reporting section. Over here, you can see partnership performance. You can see clicks, unique clicks, sign up, paid customers, transactions, revenue, pending commissions, and paid commissions. You can use different date range to see it accordingly. You can click on link performance to see the link performance, and you can click on commissions to see the commission details. Now, how would you receive the commission from Partner Stack? To see those details, you can click on commission from here, from the menu bar, and it will take you to the section. First of all, you have to update your payment method. And how do you do that? Simply click on set up withdrawals, and over here you will see three payment methods. You got direct deposit, PayPal, and Stripe. So for direct deposit, it takes between 2 to 5 business days. Processing fee, it varies based on the withdrawal amount and bank account currency. PayPal, it takes between 6 to 10 business days. Processing fee is 2% of the withdrawal amount, maximum $20 USD. Stripe, between 2 to 5 business days, and this is a processing fee you say. So depending on the payment method that you like, you can click and update the details. For example, I like PayPal. I'll click on PayPal. I'll give my PayPal details in here. So once you have given the payment method details accordingly, simply click on connect and you would be able to see them listed here. Then if you scroll down over here, you would be able to see your commission details, and you have to understand and you have to learn about commission statuses. For that, you can click on learn about commission statuses and you can see the different statuses available. Basically, you have to wait for available to withdraw. So all the commission that you will see in here, you will see available to withdraw options in here, and there will be a withdraw option. So when you click on withdraw, it will process the commission accordingly. And if you only want to see your available for withdraw commission, you can select commission status here and go with available to withdraw. So this way you will know how much commission is waiting for you to withdraw. And all the withdrawals history you would be able to see within the section. You can click on withdrawals and you would be able to see withdrawal date, send to, status, and the amount. So this is how you can update create the payment method and start getting the commission. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of SimilarWeb. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of SimilarWeb. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.